Hi, I'm Patty. I usually describe myself as a live illustrator, keynote speaker, and change agent. But the truth is, I'm obsessed with how to make change happen faster. I am not the one wringing their hands when it comes to change. I thrive in times of change, especially when it becomes uncomfortable. Why? Because change stretches me. I've had three very successful careers. First as an actor who made it to Broadway, then as a change agent and visual facilitator working in business for 30 years, and now as an author and keynote speaker. I've helped teams make changes from the front line to the C-suite across all industries. And I created a signature process called Draw Your Future to help myself and others get unstuck during change. Initially, I didn't know why it worked, but eventually the brain science substantiated what I'd seen happen in meetings time and again. The truth is, a picture helps you make change better. Maya Angelou once said, "A solitary fantasy can transform a million realities." And I know for a fact that a picture can transform at least one reality, yours. In 2011, I gave a TED Talk called Draw Your Future. I rehearsed that talk for 6 weeks. So when I stepped into that red circle, whoa, I nailed it. And that talk was viewed not just on the regular TED channel, but in the best of 2015, it was picked to be part of the series, and it got nearly 6 million views. And as I went through the comments, 32,000 of them, I realized that the audience was intrigued by the notion that a simple drawing could empower them to change their future. I mean, everybody dreams of a better future and yearns to achieve their goals quickly. So drawing one's future seems like a fantastic idea, but most people believe they cannot draw. I bet you feel that way too. It's the most common comment I get. My drawing skills suck. Well, since my teenage years, I've been curious about how to propel myself into a future and make change more rapidly. And in my 30s, I discovered that if I imagined my future and I took action by drawing a picture, it happened faster. Since that time, I've been drawing everything, whether I'm describing a concept or drawing a picture of a company's vision and strategy. In 30 years of research, I've found that what you depict sticks, and drawing captivates and inspires better ideas in any meeting. So whether you're going to lead a meeting for your community or facilitating a high-level strategy, this book will help you feel confident to step up to the whiteboard and draw out problems, explain ideas, and sell anything. It's a simple tutorial to help you step to the whiteboard and become the wizard and turn your dreams into reality. Let's do this.